to a world of holiday charm and architectural splendor. In today's video, we're diving into the magical allure of Christmas-decorated farmhouses. Prepare to be enchanted by breathtaking architecture and luxurious interiors that blend rustic elegance with festive cheer. From snow-dusted rooftops to cozy, glowing interiors, every detail is designed to inspire your holiday spirit. So grab a warm drink, snuggle up, and let's begin with a bird's-eye view of this enchanting farmhouse retreat. As we take to the skies, you'll see the stunning farmhouse architecture come to life. The snow-covered roofs sparkle under twinkling lights, while charming porches and frosted windows invite you in. Each home is a masterpiece of rustic holiday design, surrounded by serene, snowy landscapes. Let's soar into the details. Step into the heart of holiday comfort. This living room greets you with a crackling stone fireplace, a towering Christmas tree adorned in sparkling ornaments, and plush, inviting furniture. Sunlight filters through large windows, casting a warm glow on the soft throws and patterned cushions. The ambiance is both festive and calming, with every corner meticulously designed to wrap you in seasonal joy. From the twinkling garlands to the subtle holiday accents, this space redefines cozy elegance. Let's settle in and explore its magic together. This farmhouse kitchen is the heart of holiday magic. With rustic wooden countertops and festive garlands wrapped around open shelves, every inch radiates warmth and charm. Picture the aroma of gingerbread cookies baking in the antique oven as soft snow falls outside frosted windows. A cozy hot cocoa station beckons, complete with candy canes and marshmallows. The centerpiece? A wooden island adorned with a pine cone and candle arrangement that invites festive gatherings. Let's dive into this culinary wonderland. Welcome to a bedroom where festive dreams come true. This space combines the rustic charm of exposed beams with the softness of plaid bedding and cozy throw blankets. A small, twinkling Christmas tree in the corner sets a magical tone, while frosty windows offer serene views of the snowy landscape. Fairy lights draped across the headboard add a soft, golden glow, making this room the perfect winter retreat. It's the kind of place you'd want to curl up with a good book and a steaming mug of cocoa. Let's take a closer look at this tranquil holiday haven. Prepare to be enchanted by this farmhouse-inspired holiday bathroom. A freestanding clawfoot tub is surrounded by glowing candles and pine-scented garlands, creating the ultimate spa-like ambiance. The rustic wooden vanity, adorned with a wreath and ornaments, adds a touch of cozy elegance. Frosted windows let in soft, natural light, while festive towels and a bowl of ornaments complete the look. This bathroom is a serene escape where holiday stress melts away. Let's step in and soak up the charm. This dining area is a feast for the senses. Picture a rustic wooden table adorned with red and gold place settings, a glowing candle centerpiece, and a garland draped along the sideboard. Frosted windows offer snowy views, creating a magical backdrop for holiday meals. Chairs dressed with plaid blankets add to the cozy charm, while a roaring fireplace in the corner sets the perfect festive tone. It's an inviting space that brings everyone together in holiday joy. Let's explore this enchanting dining setup. Step outside into a winter wonderland. The farmhouse porch welcomes you with rocking chairs wrapped in plaid blankets, glowing lanterns, and a twinkling Christmas tree. A snowy gazebo adorned with lights stands nearby, perfect for a cozy outdoor gathering. The frosted pond reflects the holiday magic, while a fire pit crackles warmly in the backyard. This outdoor space captures the beauty of a rustic holiday retreat, inviting you to embrace the season's tranquility. Let's wander through this snowy escape.